Hello YouTube. Today I will show you how to know if your laptop or PC can run a game on the computer, because it is nothing but terrible whenever you um, buy a game, drop $60 and find out that your computer can't run the game. After this video, I'll probably be showing you how to make um, your computer run faster with games as well, if you do meet the requirements, but your games just seem to be lagging or won't load. Many of the reasons, I actually got one going right now, which is yep, I'm defragmenting my disk right now. This isn't really my gaming computer, but I'm working with it right now because I just moved and I brought my laptop instead of my PC, and well, just can't stay away from the game. So right now I'm using this. Um, my screen looks a little old right now because I did some things to make it run faster, just because this laptop isn't the greatest. Now, you this is the website that you go to find out if your laptop can um, run the games, or your computer, PC, whatever. This is this website. I'll put the link in the description. Um, Now, what you do is you just go to the System Labs and then search up any game, one that I like. Here, how about this one? Even though some of these, it says I can't run because of my graphics card. It's an old one. Some of them I can, and all you do is search it up. You click can you run it. Except after you click can you run it, it might ask you to download something, which is okay. I checked it to make sure that that it can run. There, it will have you download something, and it checks your computer. And like when I click can you run it, can I run it? Looks like my computer can't load on Google Chrome right now. But give it a second. It gives you minimum requirements and recommended. And then over here it'll say check pricing of what you need. Like it'll give you options. I'll search up one in a minute that I can't load, can't run on this laptop, and it gives me upgrade suggestions. But before you download what it asks you to download, it won't even show this yet. It will ask you whether you want to download whatever or not, which you do. There's no malware in it, but as you see, look, my graphics driver is 100 months out of date. This is just an old laptop of mine, and tells you what you have, like my graphics card. Where is it? Oh, right here. My graphics card. And then it tells you your computer speed, how much RAM you have, and the minimum that you need. But here I'll search up one that I can't really load to give you an idea of things that could pop up, just in case that your computer isn't up to date. searching. But see, I don't meet the minimum or recommended for this. And like I said, it shows upgrades suggested. You can click on that. That's for all of them. And you click minimum recommended. And it tells you what you need. You basically need almost everything. And if you click on one of these, it'll take you to a new page. And it'll tell you some prices for things you need. Basically takes you straight to what you kind of need, the minimum, and how much it costs. They go from cheap to expensive, which most computer parts are expensive anyways. Cost about close to $500 to build a computer from scratch, minimum. And then, yeah, that's about it. It tells you the requirements, recommended, and then I don't know if I have any of it recommended. But whatever, this isn't my gaming computer, so that's alright. I've just been taking videos on it all day. That's it for today. Next video will probably be me showing a couple extra things of how to make your computer run faster. There's one of them. And then also the other one, why my computer has this old looking taskbar. Looks like one of the first computers I ever touched. It looks like that because I disabled some things to help this laptop run faster, and that just came along with it. But that's it for this video. Hope it helps, and hope it saves you money from spending on games that you don't want to waste your money on, especially if they cost $60, or you having to buy the whole bundle pack that comes with it, especially on Steam, if it could be a lot more. Yeah, Tryhard Glitcher is out.